Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file a small claims case step by step. Small Claims Court offers a simplified way to resolve disputes involving smaller amounts of money, typically under $10,000 for individuals or $5,000 for businesses. First, ensure your claim falls within these limits and that you are suing the correct person or entity. This initial assessment is crucial for a successful filing. We will guide you through each stage, making the process clear and manageable for everyone involved. Next, meticulously prepare your evidence. Collect everything that supports your claim, such as contracts, receipts, emails, or photographs. Organize these items logically so they are easy to present and understand. Clearly calculate the exact amount of money you are seeking, including any specific costs or losses. Having well-organized and precise evidence is fundamental to convincing the judge of your case's merits. Now it's time to officially file your claim. Carefully fill out all necessary court forms, providing accurate details about your case and the defendant. Once completed, submit these forms to the court clerk and pay any required filing fees, which are often less than $100. Crucially, you must then ensure the defendant is properly served with the legal papers, typically within 60 days, informing them of the lawsuit. Finally, prepare for your court hearing. Practice what you will say, focusing on clarity and conciseness. When presenting to the judge, calmly explain your side of the story and show your organized evidence. The judge will listen to both parties and make a decision. Be ready for various outcomes, such as a judgment in your favor, a dismissal, or a settlement. Understanding these possibilities helps you navigate the post-hearing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.